Hello everyone, to install Photoshop of the latest version, we will need to disable Windows Defender, and this will be our first point. Just follow my movements and repeat after me. After that, we will need to open the archive, but it is with a password. The password will be specified in the description under the video. Use it to unpack the archive to the desktop. Next, run the installer itself and just follow me. The password is the same as from the archive. I remind you that the password is in the description.